Hello, lovely friends. Welcome back to the West Kitchen. You know those days when you just want a quick meal without compromising the taste? Well, how about this quick and tasty angwamo? I am sure you're going to love it. So please leave a like on the page and subscribe. This salted beef is the star ingredient here. I uploaded a video last week. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. It came out amazing. So I diced it into small cubes so that there is a chance to bite into one with each spoonful. And that was coconut oil I just added into the pan. And here I'm just separating the onions so it browns quickly. A well caramelized onions makes the best angwamo. We need that kind of flavor in here. And when we have our perfectly fried onions, I'm going to put some on a kitchen towel and spread it apart and allow it to dry up so it can become crunchy before we introduce it back to the pot. With the remaining onions, I'm going to add the diced salted beef, the Toolo beef, and allow it to cook. And you know what? My cousin in Ghana, Nana Jomo, she makes the best angwamo. And the foodie that I am, I asked her what her secret ingredient was. And it's just green peppers, finely chopped. You won't even notice it's there, but it adds amazing flavor to it. See how it is bubbling away because of the coconut oil. Anyway, so the beef is cooked at this stage and it smells amazing. So I've just gone ahead to add the rice, and I'm going to fry the rice with the other ingredients a bit before I add the water so that the rice can absorb the flavors from the beef and the onions and the rest. And if you are used to adding your water before rice, that is perfectly okay too. I do that sometimes, but I guess I'm used to this method more. The water goes in now, and after a good stir, it's going to extract some of the salt from the beef, and that's how I'm going to tell whether I need more salt or not. And in my cupboard, I've got this pasta sitting there, so I'm going to throw in one or two handfuls to it to give it even more shine. Okay, so I have tasted it and I need a little bit salt actually. So I have just added a bit and I'll cover it and let it cook. And in the meantime, we will just carry on with tradition and go ahead and make some pepper. Hot one to go with the angwamo. And what better way to do this than our own asanka? So please stay tuned. Blender can also do the job just fine. A quick check on the rice and this is how it looks like, colorful. Okay, it still has some water left in, so I'm going to just flip them like upside down, kind of stirring so that the top ones also get to the bottom to cook. Then after that, I'll just cover it with cling foil and let it cook again. And in the meantime, let's carry on with tradition. And you guessed right, what is angwamo without fried eggs? I just checked the reserved fried onions and it is almost crunchy. So I'll go ahead and check the rice as well. And here we are. Angwamo shipa, very hot, nice and tasty. Now is the perfect time to bring back the onions for garnishing. and then turn the heat off. But we are not done yet. We're going to be frying our eggs. Onto the pan goes the eggs. And who said angwamo cannot be healthy? It can be nice and healthy at the same time, you know. So go ahead and garnish it up with your eggs, sardines, avocados, and the hot pepper. Green chili sauce is also great with angwamo. The link is in the description box. Please check it out. This one is a hit, real nice, and enjoy. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. I am so grateful to you for your support. Please remember to like and share and subscribe. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye.